Hello friends, so welcome to my YouTube channel and today is my 25 day of English speaking challenge. So friends, today I want to share with you like how can learn English and how can I learned English. So I share my personal experience because I also learn to English. So okay friends, I want to share like first of all learn, understand and practice it English grammar because English grammar is a foundation and basic need of learning purpose and speaking purpose also, because when you learn basic things then you also know how can I speak it, and always be consistent. When you daily practice it, daily learn vocab and any other, then you always also speak in English. You can speak in English. So how can you speak English? Firstly, you reading daily, and you listen and watch the English videos, and always try to speak in English, whether right or wrong, not matter what is the right and what is the wrong. You always try to speak in English. Okay, friends, and don't think about the people what can say and what can think. You don't think about that because everyone make mistakes and learn from the mistakes. You also learn from the mistakes. When you follow this formula, then you also speak it and always try to speak in English. I also like before time I was afraid for speaking English. Then I try it and understand it. It's not too late. When I could do it, then you also do it. So how can we learn English faster? Just like you watched English videos and reading daily 10 to 5 pages, then you also know how can learn it, and always try to speak it, because when you speak more much, then you also understand how can I speak it. So apart from this, many other things you learn it. Firstly, you talk to yourself, and always like seeing the mirror, behind a mirror, you ask the questions and give the answers. It's your purity. When you talk to yourself, then you also feel the confident, and you when you gain the confidence, then you are able to speak in English. You also will able to speak in English. Like when you also make the videos, when you make the videos face the camera, then you gain more much confidence, and your confidence when improve it, then you also able to speak it, because it's not a hard task. When you do it, then you are when I do it, I could do it, then you also do it. So like it's not a very much hard. When you try it, firstly take a first step. When you take a first step and be confident and be consistent and disciplined, and you like daily practice it and daily learn it, daily read it, because when you have content, more much content in your mind, like a vocab and any other things, you know how can make the sentences correctly, then you also able to speak, because in you think, always think in your mind in English. When you think it English, then you also speak in English. When you speak in English, then also you gain the confidence and always to like it to talk to English, because I most like to talk in English. When I try it, then I also know how can I speak it, how can I understand it. That's why I know about that. So friends, when I could do it, then you also do it. First take a step. So friends, like it's my personal experience. Learn it, read it and listen it and watch it in English, because you have more much content. When you listen it, then you know how can pronunciation, how can words pronunciation, because many people not speak the right words pronunciation. Then how can know, how can speak step and small step. When you take a first step, like you also read and learn and understand the model verbs, because model verbs more important in sentences making form and always speaking purpose and daily routine. And you like say the daily routine, speak it, this is what is this, what is that. Don't think about that what is the right and what is the wrong, only you speak it. Then when you speak it, then you understand it and you also speak correctly after some time. Okay friends, so you also like more much attract with the English and also like it more much. So friends, you try it and also always speak in English. Say in English, then you also able to speak it. Okay friends, it's my today's content. When you like my channel and when you like it this content, then you like my video and subscribe my channel. Okay friends, take care, bye bye.